Hello ITG जनता, रेडियो जी इज बैक विद एपिसोड नंबर 2 व्हाट्स न्यू। इसमें हमने पूछा हमारे जेनसेक नॉमिनीज और वीपी नॉमिनीज से कि क्या है ऐसा जो वो लेके आने वाले हैं कैंपस में जो है एकदम न्यू, कोई ऐसा आइडिया जो बदल देगा आईआईटी का रुख।
Being a culturally active person, I plan to indulge the whole of IIT Guwahati fraternity and give them a glimpse of a diverse culture of IIT Guwahati.
What I bring to the table is a unique mix of experience and motivation. Having stayed in the Gymkhana for the past 2 years and serving the campus in the capacity of the secretary of the anchoring club, I would like to take this endeavor forward. And my agenda includes some very unique points like like improving and computerizing the IIT Guwahati hospital records and building an online portal to book appointments and to know the doctor's timings as well as give a feedback as and when you receive treatment. I would also like to introduce a 100% campus literacy program and install GPS devices in the campus buses and integrate it with an app so that everybody can know the position of the buses. Thank you.
See, first thing, when I'm elected, I just want to do a orientation for all the club secretaries so that they will know their powers regarding what they need to do, what not to do, and what should be the improvement in their own club, respective club, and give the feedback of regarding the club, and so that every individual of the club he knows better than the other people.
If I am elected as Vice President Student Gymkhana Council, uh, first thing I would be doing is extending of semester registration days from 1 to 2 and reduction of fine from 10,000 to 1,000. And the second one would be introducing academic council. At present, the present Gymkhana is working and that would be put forward in front of Senate. If it is not done by this semester, with the changes required, I will ensure that it would be formed by next semester for the betterment of academics of students.
I have stayed for 4 years in the campus. Okay, I have seen various systems adopted by HAB every year. So I feel like I am having daily same sabji. The caterer has to bring a cook such that he has to satisfy his subscribers. So I feel like we should concentrate on the cook who should satisfy those students.
Hello IITG Janta, this is VJG Dhruv and I welcome you to webisode 3 of Student Gymkhana Elections 2014, brought to you by Radio G. Students at IITG possess a very biased opinion of the administration and it is often felt that there is a lack of transparency in the system. So let us ask the VP and GenSec nominees how they think they would improve the admin-student relationship.
I believe that we sometimes prejudge the administration and make a personal biased opinion. However, I'd like the administration to be answerable to the Senate so that the Senate can bridge the gap between the students and the administration.
A special point in my agenda to improve the faculty and student interaction is regular talk shows with the course instructors in the lecture hall so that everybody can air their academic as well as their general complaints to the course instructors as well as the position holders in the administration.
So what I am telling is that when a student representative will be initiated in the tender committee so that any decision will be taken regarding any equipment or any settlement of regarding anything, it will be a suggestion will be taken from the student as well as the administration. So there will be a common platform for both of them to discuss and take the decision. So with that thing, the bias thing will be removed, and it's our responsibility to check the responsibility, check the gap between the student and the administration.
Student representative is part of administration. Admin and student relation can be strengthened only when student approaches the student representative at the right time for his problems.
Transparency is like I would like to bring it this way. Every 2 weeks I would like to make a survey by the MMC convener of a particular hostel. Okay, directly we'll sit in the mess and take the feedback. First of all, we'll be updating those details in the website of the Gymkhana or HAB website. So that will add pressure by the residents or subscribers of that mess on the general secretary or MMC convener to act.
Stay tuned for episode 4 by Radio G. वोट जरूर कीजिएगा.
वोट जरूर करना.
वोट जरूर करना.
वोट जरूर करना.
अबे ओ ओए तो बोल देना यार, एक बार वीडियो के लिए तो बोल दे
यार वोट जरूर करना यार.
हाँ, वोट जरूर करना.